Hello YouTube, today it's me, Eric, but you probably saw me on a different computer last time. Today I'm on a Mac, so today I'll be showing you how to install single player commands on the Mac. Okay, so I'm gonna put this link in the description, and so when you're here, you're just gonna scroll down. It says down, it's gonna say download automated installation. You're gonna click preferred, and you're gonna be at this page, and I'm just gonna pause it, and it's gonna say 5 seconds over here, and when the 5 seconds pass, you're just gonna click skip ad, and when it downloads, you'll see that. So you're gonna drag that to your desktop, and you can see, let me just delete all these. So here's the thing that I just dragged to my desktop. Okay, so you're gonna click this. You're gonna click open with Archive Activity 10.6, and it should extract a single player folder like this. So you're gonna open it, and you're gonna see banner, modify class. You're not gonna touch those. You're just gonna drag everything, and you're gonna scroll back up. You're gonna click Shift and click the README, and it should remove that. Now you're just gonna go to File, you find your window, and just pop up like this. You click Open, you go to Application Support, and go to Minecraft, and see and you're gonna refresh your mind. Oops. As you can see, I don't have a bin, so you're just gonna start up. The reason I don't have a bin is because you have to start afresh when you want to add a mod. So you finish it and you close it. You click open. You're gonna see Minecraft.jar. You're gonna click open with Archive Activity 10.6. I'm gonna give you this. And you're gonna move this to trash, and you're gonna rename this to Minecraft.jar. Okay. Then you're gonna click clean up, and now you're gonna open your Minecraft.jar, and you're gonna go down until you see a folder saying meta inf. You can click move to trash, and now you're gonna drag everything that we selected into here, and then click replace, and then click clean up. So when you clean it up, it should look straight and cool, good. And so now you're gonna close you're gonna go back here, and you're gonna click this, and you're gonna extract it one more time. The reason for this, because we need the Minecraft things. You'll see. You're gonna go down here, and you're gonna see a world edit.jar. You're gonna move it here. So when you have done that, you could remove these two. Trash. Come on. Oh my god. Move the trash. Okay. Now you're gonna start up your Minecraft. Wait for it to log it in. And I'm gonna click single player. I'm just gonna use this for an example. and it says single player commands. We have the world in it now. And so yeah, there's a lot of things you could do. Time, day, weather, sun, and you could do a lot of stuff. You could do game mode, and you change survival. And probably my other videos you have seen me build a lottery machine. Yeah. So that's how you install single player commands, and you could do a lot of more commands on the website. I'll post the website link in the description, and in the description you could scroll down below. It says helpful commands, and yeah. So, or you could just do click help, and so yeah, that's how you do it. Or we do have roll it up. And yeah, so thank you for watching, and you'll probably see me in my other videos.